Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver recorded drivers in a pack bringing awareness to a movement. Do you think there is anything wrong here?
They're through their sunroof, waving flags.
They're getting out of their cars.
Nobody's here. It does nothing to stop what's going on.
We're at a full stop because people want to get out of their cars. It's literally like the whole. Look how.
Can you ride the shoulder?
Free, going up!
Now they're doing burnouts.
Can you ride the shoulder past them?
It's tight and there's people there.
No, somebody needs to call the cops. What if you were in a rush, in an emergency? This is ridiculous.
They have like smoke bombs.
This is crazy. Free Palestine. That's what they're saying. Like, but how are you supposed to get anywhere?
No, they literally have everything blocked and now they just came to a complete stop. Traffic is backed up all the way back there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't believe this.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. Alright, so I'll see you at some point.
What? Jim, shut up for 2 seconds. What did you say?
I'll see you at some point whenever I get out of here.
Okay.
All right.
Love you.
Love you, bye.
Brought to you by the EveryDollar app. Start budgeting.
I think the reason BSG gives you the reason the game gives you a key when you complete that quest is
a few moments later.
How hard is it to just change so it good?
Oh well, okay. So
instead of DMing Glorious.
God. Wow.
How do you think this driver got here?
They're the workhorses, basically.
Yes. Yep, so there's like 2 of them that could
fit in the front tail, and then sometimes there were kids pushing
it from the back.
This is literally insane. Just cutting through. Don't mind me. Now enjoy a few muted clips with some music. These drivers just don't stop. What do you think happened here? driving must be hard. At least it's easy to smash that like button. Peace. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.